Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you class? Hope all of you fine. Today we start chapter 8, inserting tables in Word 2013. For this what we have to do, we go in insert tab. You can see here third number in insert tab, and here option tables. So what you do, click on tables. Here you can see there again different options. The first option is already you can see here squares. These are number of columns, how much number of columns you need for a table, and these are number of rows. Okay, for example, I need, you can see when I click here, this mean 1 into 1 table, and here this mean 2 into 1. So suppose I select here like this one, so this number of table appear here, and you can see here margins, top, left, bottom, how much you need. Okay, I don't touch this. Okay, this will be appear. After this you can, if you want to increase or decrease the size, you can see when I click here this sign is appear and I drag it, it's, you can see size is increased. Same here, and last one also here, and same here. You, if you want to increase or decrease the size of column, you can move this, so its size will be increase or decrease. So this is the first way to insert the tables. Now again, if you want to insert the tables in another way, so I finish this, and what we do to finish this, Control and C, Control and C key. This is used for finish the table, means undo. And now again go on insert tab. Here you can see tables again, and here see the option is insert tables. Okay, I click here on insert tables. There are options, numbers of columns, how much number of columns. This is default setting is 5, and number of rows is here 2, but how many number of columns you want, you can increase or decrease by selecting this. For example, when I click up sign, this number of columns will be increased, and number of rows, how much you need, I increase, for example 6, and okay, so you can see this appear here. And these are different styles. You can like select this one, this one, this one, or this one. Okay, so you can select, and here are more options like this one. Okay, and like this, if you want to change the color, you don't need to insert the color by yourself. You can just click here and the color will be changed. Okay, there are so many options here. Now in this way you can insert the table by using second option, second method in tables. First we use this method, and second now insert tables. Now another method is drawing table. Okay, so what we do, I finish this. Here you can see in draw table, first I finish this one, this table, and as you can see these are all options which we use here, this appear here. Okay, now again we go in tables, and this I use quick table. Okay, you can see here this table is used for months, like here this default setting, this appear here December in this way, calendar 1, calendar 2 in May in this way, or calendar 3, what type of calendar you want. For example, I select this one, so you can see this appear here again, and here again option, for example I select this one, so you can see this calendar appear, and like this one again, so many options here. You can select any option, yeah, like you want, if you want to change the color, so this will be appear here. Okay, so this is the next way how to insert the table. This is used for months. And again go in insert tab, tables, and use, if you want, if you don't use any of this method and you want to draw by yourself, so you use draw tables. Okay, so for this I select this space here down and draw a table. For example this one table, After this, you can see these options are appear here: view grids, draw table, erase, delete, insert. In rows and column there is insert above or down. For example, if I click on insert above, and here you can see insert above, you can see this another this row is appear above. Okay, and if I click here, this appear down. You can see here this appear here down. Okay, and if I click here insert left, you can see this become like this side. And if I click insert right, so you can see these options are appear here. Okay, now you can also increase or decrease the size here. It's like this one. Again, if you click here, this appear. You can increase or decrease the size by moving this. And if you want to increase or decrease, like this one, and here if you drag this, and this one also appear here. In this table you can insert lines by using these shapes. In insert tab, using shapes, here you can see line, and like you can draw a line by yourself. For example, if I want to draw a line like this one, so this appear here. And this, you want to change the color of this, so this line appear here. Same if you want, again insert shape and line, and in this way column, you want to insert any column, so again draw a line here and change the color of this line, so this line appear. So these are different methods to insert the table in Word. Inside this you can write anything. For example, I write A, and if I want to increase the size, I select this and increase the size like this one. If I want to bold this and change the color like this one, okay, you can see this appear here. So inside this you can write anything, and like if you use this arrow key, you can move to next column, okay, and go back. You can see if you use arrow key, you can go anywhere. I hope you understand this topic, how to insert columns. So just fast we repeat this. We use tables. We use this first tables by inserting. You can see I just clicking here, this appear here. Okay, and second method is use insert tables. Another way is quick tables, and last is draw tables. And there are some other methods, but these are I think enough for you, and you understand this. I hope after this you practice in your computers.